Good morning, my dear children. I welcome you all to the online teaching learning platform organized by our Educational Department of MCGM. Our today's subject is EVS 2, and the topic that we are going to take today is beginning of settled life. In that, we are going to study about subtopic beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Shubhangi Dubey from MPS Dharavi Kalakilla, G North Ward. My HM is Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul. Now, students, I am going to ask you few questions. Okay? All of you ready? Are you ready to give answer to my questions?
Yes.
Yes. So, question number 1 is, which are our basic needs?
What?
Which are our basic needs? Can you tell me?
Shelter, food, sun, education.
Very good. Excellent. So food, shelter, clothes, these are our basic needs. Can you tell me from where do we get food?
From farm.
From where do we get food?
Farm. Farmer.
Farm. Very good. We get food from
Farm.
agriculture.
Agriculture.
Students, do you know about milk?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like milk?
Yes.
Can you tell me which products are made up from milk?
Paneer. Butter, ghee. Paneer. Butter, ghee, dahi. Dahi, paneer, shrikhand.
Very good. Excellent, students. So, curd, butter, ghee, paneer, shrikhand. These are some products that are made up from milk. To prepare these products, we use milk. And from where do we get this milk?
Cow. Cow.
Cow. Only cow gives us milk?
No. Cow.
Huh?
Buffalo. Goat. Goat.
Goat. Very good.
Goat.
So,
Cow.
which are the milk giving animals? Goat, cow, buffalo, and sheep also gives milk.
Yes.
So, have you seen goat, cow, sheep?
Yes.
Can you tell me the types of animals?
Horse. Horse.
Types of animals.
Dog. Cat. Pig. Cat. Dog.
There
Pig.
are there are two types of animals. Can you tell me that types of animal?
Animal and domestic animal and
Very good.
wild animal.
Excellent. There are two types of animal that are, one is the domestic animal and second is the wild animal. Very good. So what are the different uses of animal? Can you tell me?
Farming. Farming. Wool.
Very good. We use animal for farming to get wool. Again?
Wool. Wool from sheep.
Very good. Yes, yes. We get wool from sheep. So we get food, milk, egg, meat, agriculture, clothes from animals. We use animal for the different purposes. Okay?
We also use in load.
Yes. Can you tell me which animals do you see on your screen?
Cow, sheep, pig, dog, cat, horse, and bullock.
Oxen.
Bullock, horse, dog, cat, and pig.
Can you tell me what is the use of dog for us?
For our home security. Home center.
Very good. For our home security. Dog protect our house from strangers.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the use of cow?
That we milk. Cow give us milk.
Okay.
Then that milk we sell. Then other people.
Okay. Cow gives us milks and also cow gives us fertilizer. Okay.
Yes.
We get fertilizer from cow dung. So what is the use of cow? Cow gives us milk and fertilizer. Okay. Can you see oxen in this picture?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the use of oxen?
Oxen.
Yes.
Farmer. For farming. Farming.
Yes, we use oxen in the agriculture or for doing farming. Very good, students. In the beginning, animal was not able to live with us. So we captured the animal and trained them to live with humans and obtain useful materials like milk, eggs, meat from them. So today we are going to study our chapter number 8, that is the beginning of settled life. In this chapter we are going to study about subtopic, that is the beginning of domestication of animals. So we are going to start with our chapter beginning of settled life. First point in the chapter we are going to study about is the domestication of animal. Which picture do you see in this on your slide?
Oh, farmer's picture.
Farmer. So which animal farmer use here?
Oxen.
Oxen. So oxen is domestic animal or a wild animal?
Domestic animal.
Domestic animal. So we are going to study about domestication. Can you tell me what is meant by domestication? The process of taming an animal and keeping it as a pet or on a farm. What is meant by domestication? The process of taming an animal and keeping it as a pet on a farm. Anyone, can you read this for me?
Can I?
Yes. Yes.
The process of taming an animal and keeping it as a pet or on farm.
Very good, students, but read only one students. Okay. So domestication, what is meant by domestication? The domestication of animal is the mutual relation between animal and the human who have influence on their care and reproduction. Domestication is the process of adapting wild animal. What is meant by domestication? First of all animal was not a pet animal. So domestication means the process of adapting wild animal and for human use. For which use? To get food, to work in the farm, for clothing, for medicine and many other uses. Okay. So the dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. Which is the first animal to have been domesticated?
Dog.
Dog, very good. The dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. Okay? Remember this, the dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. The dog were used to help with hunting by Middle Stone Age man. Okay? The dog were used to help with hunting. What is the use of dog?
The dog helped to hunting.
Hunting by which man? By Middle Stone Age man. Okay. So which animal is used for hunting by the Middle Stone Age man?
Dog.
Dog. So the first animal which is domesticated is dog, and after that the goat and sheep were domesticated next. Now there are 3 steps of domestication. First step was capture the animal. There are 3 steps of domestication of a species of animals. First one is capture the animal. Second one is
Taming
the captured animal, train them to live with humans. And third one is obtaining useful material from them and make them work from humans. So these are the 3 steps of domestication. Have you understood, students?
Yes.
Very good. Can anyone read these 3 steps of domestication for me? Only one student can read, okay? Hi, yes.
Steps of domestication.
Read first step. Very good.
Are animals, training them to live with humans. Obtaining useful materials from them and make them work for humans.
Very good. So, first step of domestication of animal was capturing the animal from forest or from jungle. First step was capture them. After that, second step was taming the captured animal. After capturing the animal, taming them and train them how to live with humans. And the third step was obtaining materials and training them to work. Obtaining material. Which material we obtained from the animals? Like milk, again meat,
milk, eggs.
Very good. So obtaining material and train them to work for humans. Like we use animals to work in the farms. Okay. So these are 3 steps of domestication of animal. Have you understood, students?
Yes.
Which was the 3 step?
Capture.
Which is the first step?
Taming the capture animals, that is training them to live with humans.
Capture of wild animals. Obtaining material and training them to work for humans. Very good, students. Now, next is animal husbandry. What is meant by animal husbandry? Domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry. What is meant by animal husbandry? Domestication of animals and keeping them. Please read after when I tell you to read. Okay?
Yes.
So, domestication of animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry. Animal husbandry includes the rearing of animals and obtaining different products from them for subsistence. It includes the dairy farming, sheep and goat rearing and poultry also. So what is meant by animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is the domestication of animal and keeping them for our own use. Means we get different things from them. We use them for our need or to complete our purpose. That is means the animal husbandry. Can you read what is meant by animal husbandry? Only one student can read.
Animal husbandry, domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry.
Very good. Animal husbandry means it is the domestication of animals and obtaining different products from them. It's called animal husbandry. See in this picture which products we get from animals. While we are doing the animal husbandry means we are getting the different products from them. Now,
Hello.
what is mean by agriculture?
Agriculture.
Agriculture, don't read beta. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops and raising livestock. Archaeological evidence shows that agriculture first began about 11,000 years ago. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops and raising livestock. Agriculture is the science of practicing of farming. What is meant by agriculture? It is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. Agriculture means growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and these together are called agriculture. There are two methods of sowing seeds. There are two methods of sowing seeds. First method is pointed stick. Which is the first method? Pointed stick. What is the pointed stick? Women were credited to sow the seed first with the help of pointed stick using perforated stone. Okay, what is meant by pointed stick? Women were credited to sow the seeds first with the help of pointed stick using perforated stone. That is mean by pointed sticks. So who was credited to sow the first seed?
Women were credited to sow the seed first with the help of pointed stick using perforated stone.
Very good. So who was credited to sow the first seed? Women were credited to sow the seed first time with the help of pointed sticks. Okay. Now the second method of sowing seed is plug. Plug pulled by bullocks. Agriculture production increased due to the using of these methods. So what is meant by plug? Plug pulled by bullock. And agriculture production increased due to using these methods. When man started to using this method of plucking in the field, it helps to increase the product. Plug is a farm tool for losing or turning the soil before sowing seeds or planting. Plug were the traditionally drawn by oxen and horses. Traditionally, which animals were used for the plucking? Oxen and horses. Which animals were used for plucking?
Oxen and horses.
Oxen and horses. But nowadays, in modern farms, we do plucking with the help of tractors. Nowadays, using of oxen is very rare.
Machine.
In modern farms, we use tractors. Plucking enhances the water retention capacity of soil. So these are the two methods of sowing seeds. Which are the two methods of sowing seeds?
Pointed stick.
Very good. And second one is?
Plug.
Pointed stick and plug. These are the two methods of sowing seeds. What is the impact of agriculture in human life? First one is, what is the impact? Means what agriculture impact on our life? First one is, agriculture becomes the main source of livelihood. Farmer use skills and knowledge of nature, natural resources to grow foods and support their livelihood. Why agriculture becomes the main source of livelihood? Because farmers use different skills and their knowledge of natural resources to grow food and support their livelihood. Farmers apply nutrients on their fields in the form of chemical fertilizers and animal manure, which provide crops with the nitrogen, and this helps for the livelihood. Second one is people begin to worship nature and various deities for the good crops. For good quality of product, people start worship nature and also start to worship different good crops. Third one is sharing of agricultural tasks and water resources as well as security of village settlement again gained importance. People started sharing of agricultural tasks with each other, and they also start to share the water resources and help each other to increase their product. So these are the impact of agriculture in human life. What is the impact of agriculture in human life? Agriculture becomes the main source of livelihood. Next one is people begin to worship nature and various deities for the good crops. And third one is sharing of agriculture tasks and water resources as security of village settlement gain important. Have you understood?
Yes.
Very good. So now this is the time for evaluation. So I'm going to ask you few questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you have to answer my questions. Okay?
Yes.
My question number 1 is, which are the domestic animals?
Can I tell?
Yes.
Cat, dog, bullock, buffalo, horse,
Very good. So
donkey,
cat, dog, cow, horse,
sparrow.
donkey, oxen. These are the domestic animals. Very good. And we use this domestic animal for our different purposes or to help us. What is the second question?
How
How many steps of domestication of animals? We have
animals
studied it already in our chapters. So how many steps of domestication of animals?
3 steps of domestication of animals.
Very good. There are 3 steps of domestication of animals. Can anyone tell me that 3 steps?
Capture of the wild animals, taming the captured animals, that is training them to live with humans, obtaining useful materials like milk, etc.
Very good. Excellent. So there are 3 steps of domestication of animal. And which are they? Capture the wild animal. Second one is taming the captured animal, that is train them to live with humans. And third one is obtaining useful materials from them and train them to work for humans. Now my third question is, what is animal husbandry?
Domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use in called animal husbandry.
Very good. Domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use is called animal husbandry. Now the fourth question is, which was the first domesticated animal?
Dog. Dog was the first domesticated animal.
Very good. Dog was the first domesticated animal. Fifth question is, for what purpose dogs were used by Middle Stone Age man?
Hunting.
Very good. Dogs were used for hunting by Middle Stone Age man. Question number 6 is, which was the method of sowing seeds?
For pointed stick.
Yes. And second method is?
Plug.
Yes, very good.
Was
There
the
are
methods of sowing seeds.
very good. There are two methods of sowing seeds. Which are that? First one is pointed stick and second one is plug. So these are the two methods of sowing seeds, pointed stick and plug. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Next question is, who was credited to sow the seed first?
Woman was credited to sow the seed first.
Excellent. Who was credited to sow the seed first? Women were credited to sow the seed first. Question number 8 is, which animals were used for plucking?
Bullocks. Animals were used for plucking.
Bullocks and horses also. So bullocks and horses were used for plucking. Bullocks and horses were used for plucking. Question number 9 is, which was main source of livelihood? Which was main source of livelihood? Students?
Farming.
Farming, very good. Farming or agriculture is the main source of livelihood. Understand? Next question is, give the name of any one tool that used for cultivation. Tractor.
Tractor, machines.
Tractor, plug, these are the tools which are used for cultivation. Okay?
Yes.
Now it is time for your
Homework.
What is your homework? Collect information about different 5 occupations. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Now write down your homework first.
Screenshot. I taken a screenshot.
Yes, you can take screenshot also.
I take the screenshot.
Very good. You have to complete your homework, okay? Thanks all of you for attending the class. Stay home, stay safe.